Hi everyone and welcome to our WIUM web shop, how to run for LTG and Committee Chair at DCON.
For an LTG position, before DCON, you first need to fill out your service agreement, biography, and notice of intent to run. The service agreement is a permission slip that the runner signs to declare that, if someone is elected, they will commit to the responsibility of being an LTG.
The biography is for DCON members and voting delegates to get to know candidates better as they elect a new board. The notice of intent to run form is acknowledging that you are aware that you are and are warning others that you are running for position on the WIUM District Board. All of these forms may be accessed at the WIUM Key Club website under the labels DCON, then labeled, then candidate info, and finally forms.
If you decide to run off the floor, you need all these forms except biography, and you will need to call your parents for permission.
At DCON, you will need to ask 2 other Key Club members that you think would be a good fit to nominate you for running as an LTG for the division you desire. The first representative to nominate you will bring the initial nomination up at DCON, and the second representative will agree on this nomination act.
Each candidate will then be given 5 minutes to speak to the clubs, with district board members moderating the room without other candidates present, and then entertain questions during this caucusing. They should speak about their platform, their intent to run, and their goals as LTG. Candidates can be then questioned on what they spoke about, their characteristics, time commitment, methods of working, etc. The clubs will then vote for following all candidate speeches and questioning, with the winner to be announced shortly after. While candidates cannot explicitly promote their position on social media, flyers and posters are welcomed.
For committee chair, you will need to contact the governor saying you would like to be considered for the position. You will be given an application, then an interview with the governor and director of committees. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you at DCON next year.